Hello. In this problem, we want to use the formulas a equals p times 1 plus r over n to the n times t and a equals p e to the rt to find the future value and uh, interest earned if $3,000 is invested for 10 years at 6.5% compounded either semi-annually or continuously. Now, first, notice that I have a problem here. Those two should be switched. Okay, there we go. Now, for semi-annually, that's a discrete compounding. In other words, it's twice a year. Continuous compounding is, well, it's continuously compounding. So, let's look at semi-annual. Semi-annual means I need to use the first type of problem, which means n here equals 2 because it's semi-annual. So, APNRT, I want to find the future value, which means I don't know A, but I do know the present value, or in other words, the principal, which is 3,000. And I do know N because it's semi-annual, that means 2 times a year. R I know because it's 6.5%, but as a decimal, move it to the left 2 places, gives you 0.065. And we want to do this for 10 years, so T equals 10. Therefore, for the future value, that's A equals P, which is 3,000, times 1 plus R, which is 0.065, all over N, which is 2, all to the N, which is 2, times T, which is 10. And at this point, you just type this into the calculator. So, get your calculator out, and then type this in. You have 3,000 times 1 plus 0.065 over 2, close parentheses, to the 2 times 10. And then just click enter. And there you go. You get 5687.51. Now notice I kept that 1 there because this 3 is below 5. So it's 5687.51. So 5687.51. That's the future value. Now the interest is just the difference, it's the difference between the future value and the present value. So it's just for the interest, it was 5687.51 minus your original 3,000. And that gives you 2687.51. In other words, $2,687.51. Now let's look at the continuous compounding. Continuous compounding requires the second equation here. Again, it's APNRT, but this time N doesn't appear because it's an infinite amount of events. So A, I still don't know. P, I do know, however, that is 3,000. R is still 0.065. And T is still 10. So, using the formula, that means that A is equal to P, which is 3,000, e to the 0.065 times 10. And then just simply type that into the calculator. So, get the calculator out and type in 3,000 e, which is second ln, so it's e to the 0.065 times 10. And then type that in, or click enter, and you see 5746.62. So it's 5746.62. 5746.62. I hope I got that right. Okay, so for the future value, we get 5,000 $2,746.62. And again, the interest is simply subtracting off the original principal, which in this case would be $2,746.62. Now notice that this amount for the interest is higher than the interest for the discrete compounding, and that will always be this way because the maximum amount of interest you can earn at a given interest rate is through continuous compounding.